Cleaning the printer. In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform routine cleaning of the printer. Before beginning, turn the power off and remove all media. Open the printer. Sensors. Wear eye protection when using compressed air. Clean the media sensors using a can of compressed air. If adhesives or other contaminants remain, use an alcohol moistened swab to break it up. Use a dry swab to remove any remaining residue from the first cleaning. Interior cleaning. Use a cloth or swab to remove dust and debris from the roll holders, media guides, and media path surfaces. Do not clean the printhead with these cloths or swabs. Wipe the movable sensor slide channel. If your printer has the dispenser option, open the door. To remove the platen, release the two retainers and rotate them up. Use the retainers to lift the platen. Moisten a lint-free wipe with isopropyl alcohol. Clean the platen while turning and moving from end to end. Allow the platen to dry completely before reinstalling. While holding the retainers, drop the platen into the slot. Rotate the retainers down until they lock. Clean the peel bar. Clean the peel roller. Clean the liner path. Clean the ribs and sensor. The internal cutter mechanism is not operator serviceable. Wipe the ridges and the plastic surfaces of the media exit slot. Do not clean or touch the cutter blade. Wipe the ridges and the plastic surfaces of the media entry slot. Exterior cleaning. The printer's exterior can be cleaned using plain soap and water solutions on a lightly moistened cloth. Avoid getting the solution in the printer. Do not clean connectors or the interior of the printer with this method. Print head cleaning. Use an approved thermal print head cleaning pen. Do not use the print head cleaning pen on the platen or printer parts. Wipe from the center of the print head towards the outside edges. Rub the pen over the dark stripe several times until clean. Let the print head dry before